I think the thing that I'm struggling with is, why is doing something that is unpleasant, like a cold shower, going to help?
I mean, the idea is, as I said, that you build resistance to this particular stressor, and therefore potentially you are developing resistance to other stressors as well at the same time. There's also a thing called cold shock protein. When you're in hot water, there's heat shock protein, and these things are associated with repair. As you're saying, with exercise, you damage yourself, you rip muscle, and it's actually the process of repair which seems to be good for you. When you do something like fasting, then again, one of the arguments is the reason why it has been, at least in animals and in some human studies, been shown to prolong life is because it is stressful. And stress evokes response from your body. That, as Tim said, that which does not kill you makes you stronger.
It's all about getting the dose right. If you did that, it actually stimulates the whole system a little too much, and it knocks you off.
Yeah, a little spot of arsenic peps you up.
Never hurt anybody.
Please,
that's right.
Please don't try this at home, is I think what we had immediately on the podcast. And it sounds like, just to summarize, this is like, it's interesting. The scientific data isn't really strong, is what I'm hearing. So this is one of like many of these areas where there's something interesting. There probably hasn't been enough experiments done at enough scale to really show, whether it's compelling. And I think also, Tim, you're saying your suspicion is there's a lot of personalization in the sense that this might really work for some people and not for others.
Yeah, absolutely. And the dose might vary for different people as well. As our immune system is highly variable and personalized, so we might need different stresses and things. So this is very much an overarching theory that it's very hard to do these experiments in humans. And what works in a worm might, stressing a worm and making it live longer isn't necessarily the same in humans. But generally, certainly the age research community is coming round to these ideas that these things are important. And it's all about how our body senses these stresses and these outside influences, whether it's diet or from the outside world, and then sends other repair mechanisms to sort of work. So